Hello everyone, this is Abhishek from Linux Mania. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can mirror your Android smartphone in your Linux desktop. So to do so, first of all you have to enable developer mode in your Android phone. As you can see, this is the screen recording of my Android phone. So first you have to go settings, then you need to go into the about phone section. As you can see, my developer mode is already on, but I'm show you how you can repeat this process. Just go to the about section, and here you have to tap multiple times on the build number, as you can see. And when you will tap on the build number, it will enable developer options in your Android smartphone. Now you have to go to your developer options and enable the USB debugging option. As you can see, it is already enabled in my smartphone. So now let's head into my PC and let me show you how you can mirror your smartphone. So first of all, you have to install a small package in your Linux device. Here I'm using Manjaro Linux, which is a Arch-based distro. So it has a pacman package manager. So this is the command: sudo pacman-syy.scrcpy. The scrcpy is the package name that you have to install. So now as it is installed, if you're using Ubuntu or some Debian based distro, the command will be different for your Linux based on which distro you are using. So if you face any difficulty while installing this program, just mention in the comment and I will show you the command to install the program. So right now my device is not connected to the PC. So first you have to now connect your device into the PC and make sure your debugging option is enabled. As you can see, now my device is connected to my PC. This is just the screen recording of my device, not the screen mirror. Now when you will run the program, it will ask you a smartphone to allow the debugging, and as you press allow, your screen mirroring will start in the smartphone. As you can see, my phone is mirrored in my PC, and I can control the phone with the cursor in my laptop. You can play games, and you can call someone, you can browse web, you can watch movies on your laptop through the mobile. So this is how you mirror your smartphone in the Linux desktop. So if you like the video, like, share and comment, and also subscribe channel if you like the content. And you can also mention the ideas you want me to make the videos on in the comments. So till then, take care and goodbye.